So now that looks much. You need to log off and on, I think, and that'll look much more like a Mac already. Now, if you click on, if you go System, Appearance, Preferences, Appearance, you can click Visual, click on Extra, and that'll show like what has just happened. You can do all sorts of things. This you don't have to. If your system can't, for some whatever reason, it might say something about it not working. Don't worry about it. It's not important really. Right click on the desktop. I'm going to change desktop background and click Add, and then find your go to whatever your username is, and then find the Macfilin version 1.0. Click on Wallpapers. And then click on Wallpaper 1. There is another one which is grass or something. I don't really get that one. And then just click Apply and OK. And then go on to Applications, Ubuntu Software Center. Sorry, this is quite rushed. And then type in Avant Window Navigator. Again, not really sure how to pronounce that. Click Install. See, this is why we needed the update, so we could do easy installations like this. Type in your password. And that will take a couple of minutes. Another transition coming now. Okay, so now that's installed, if you go under Applications, Accessories, Avant Window Navigator, not sure how to pronounce it again. Okay, and that will come up at the bottom of the screen. There you go. But it's black, so we need to change that again. Right click Dock Preferences, and then click Themes and add a theme. Find Macfilin version 1.0, install version 1.0, and then go find AWN and click on the Macfilin AWN v1.0 T whatever it was, and then click on it and click Apply. Now that'll change it to a much more Mac-like style, and like the icons bounce up and down and stuff like that. Okay, we want to get rid of the bottom panel, so right click Delete Panel and just click Delete again if it didn't do it. So there we go, that's that done. And then you can drag and drop the applications from the application menu, obviously, onto the bar. For some reason it wouldn't let me do this while recording, so I had to stop it, add them in. So there we go. I don't know why it wouldn't let me. So there they are. They all bounce up and down. Looks quite good. To make it auto hide, you can go right click Preferences, Auto Hide or something like that. But you have to just have a look around. Now, if you're not getting the icons like that, like the Safari one instead of Firefox, just click on the Macfilin install version 1.0 again, and just click on yes, running terminal, yes, all that stuff, and then just and close it. You will have to change the desktop background again, but as I say, if you are getting icons like the bottom ones, don't worry about doing this. Find the background that you've installed earlier, so click on that and then close. I'm not really sure why. Sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't, but there we go. Then you can also change the icons. So if one icon isn't how you like it and you think you could do it better, if you go onto icons and then double click on the yellow zipped sort of file, then click on the extract button and you click extract, and then close that or show the files. Then click on Macfilin icons version 1.0 folder and click on 40. No, that's wrong. I actually recorded this earlier, but yeah, I'm not really sure what I was doing then. Just click on Scabble or whatever that's called, and then emblems. I don't know if this is actually right. That'll do anyway. No, or maybe it won't. I think it's actually under apps, but I don't think I've realised that for a couple of minutes. Well, maybe not minutes, but like seconds now. Okay, so you find the one that you like the look of, so maximise it if you want to, and gives you a better view of them all. So if we find one that looks like the Mac, I think it's iDVD or it's iMovie, but I can't remember what the DVD burner is called. I don't really use Macs that often. can see all them. Oh, there it is. So it's like the iMovie symbol, but it's got a DVD in it. If you've got a Mac, you'll probably know what to do, but then I don't see why you would want to. So right click on the icon that you want to change, click change icon, obviously, and then find the folder that it's in, and then now that you're in that folder, you need to find the name of the icon. So I think it was something like GOG, something beginning with G. Or you can also search it by just typing Ogle. That's it. Sounds a bit like Google. And as you can see, it has changed. That's where I got the G from. Yeah, so, right, that's that. What else do I need to do? I'm not actually sure. Oh, yeah, right click on the Firefox icon and... No, are we going to do that? Or not? Right click on that and then just click General. Oh, you can also see the auto hide, but click on automatically start AWN on login, and then just click yes, and then close that. Now we right click on the Firefox icon, remove from panel, same with the question mark, and same with those with that bar, and then add to panel. We need to find the, I think it's called the main menu. Yeah, that's it, the one with the big foot. Then just add that. This is basically what the Apple symbol will be. We need to change that later, but we don't need to worry about that now. So move that to the left. There we go. And that's kind of like the main menu for everything. So you see it's basically the whole thing in that one. Now we can also get rid of the time if you want to. I don't, because it's useful. Right, remove the login thing and the mail thing. Everything that you want to. You can't remove the sound, the battery, and the Wi-Fi though. That square in a circle, that won't happen on your screen. That's the recording symbol. Okay, right. This next bit, we need to install Alien, which is a thing for installing other things. So we need to type in sudo apt get install Alien. I'll put that as an annotation. Click yes and all that stuff again. Okay. Right, go back to camschoolweb.co.uk, right click Ubuntu Tweak and save as, and then go into your home folder, which will be your username, and click save. Now, this is what Alien is for. Once it's done, you need to open the terminal, I think, yep. Sudo Alien -- scripts and then type in the name of the file you downloaded. It should be something like gnome-global menu -0.7.1.1.fc10.i386. It will say it's not found for some reason, but it will generate a deb file, which is like the equivalent to a Windows installer.